Welcome to Tech Vegas. Are you bored with default Windows 11 statement? Today I'm going to show you how to transform it into a beautiful Sunbelly statement style inspired by the early design concept of Windows 11. So it is not actual release from Microsoft, it's a customization video. This style brings back the clean, soft, modern UI look that Microsoft originally tested during the Sunbelly update. Face it minimal, smooth and very elegant while keeping everything lightweight and fast. To apply this statement, we are using Windhawk, one of the best tool for deep Windows customization with the statement style. This tutorial I'm going to show you that how to install Sunbelly style start menu on Windows 11. First you have to go to this website and download this Windhawk, and then you have to install it. Click on next and click on yes, then click on install. So make sure you have connected to the internet. It will require internet to complete the installation process. Installation has been complete. Click on finish, and then we have to install some mods. To install the statement script, click on browse for mods. First I'm going to install Windows 11 taskbar styler. Click on details and install it. After installation, just go to this folder and copy this taskbar styler script, then click on advanced and paste it here, then click on save. Okay, now click on this taskbar settings and then click on taskbar behavior and taskbar alignment, set it to left. And now we have to install Windows 11 statement installer. Click on details and install it. After installation, go to this folder again and copy this statement script and then go to advanced and paste it here, and then click on save. Okay, if you see any kind of error, just go to this settings and turn on this disable the new statement layout, and this is it. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.